Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch run the latest updates and that you're signed into your Apple ID. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone and keep the watch very close. Turn the watch on by holding the side button and open the watch app on your iPhone. The app detects nearby watches. Follow the app's first prompts so the devices can exchange the initial pairing handshake and show the animated pairing target. Now you'll complete the detailed setup. Point your iPhone camera at the watch's animated pattern so pairing proceeds automatically. Alternatively, choose manual pairing in the app. Next, decide whether to set up as new or restore from a backup, and sign in with your Apple ID so features like activity, health, and iCloud sync. Make choices about wrist orientation and create a passcode for security. Then enable Siri, Apple Pay, and Cellular if applicable. Finish by letting the watch sync apps and settings. You'll see progress in the watch app on your iPhone, so make sure not to interrupt it. Once synced, test calls, notifications, and a few complications to confirm functionality and tweak notification and app layout in the watch app as needed. If pairing ever fails, unpair the watch from your iPhone or erase it on the watch. Then restart both devices and retry pairing. That reset clears most software glitches and forces a clean handshake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.